Founded in 1858, 32,000 group employees, 5.1 trillion yen in total assets. Located in 67 countries worldwide, we are the general trading company Marubeni. In a world that is changing drastically, our convictions remain firm. A philosophy of fairness, innovation, and harmony. With this belief in mind, we strive for sustainable growth. The 12 sales divisions together are working tirelessly to reach this objective. To realize a stronger Marubeni. To be a partner exceeding our customers' expectations. Here is an introduction of the 12 sales divisions of the general trading company Marubeni. From raw material procurement to retail sales, the Food Materials and Food Products Division are involved in various trading and operations in Japan and abroad. In the grain business, where Marubeni boasts the largest transaction volume among general trading companies, the Food Materials Division is further expanding a global network of procurement and sales. For example, forming a comprehensive alliance with the Sinograin Group, China's largest grain reserves corporation. In the field of food distribution, Marubeni has a strong presence in sales and has established a distribution network utilizing its global procurement capability. The Food Products Division will develop business aggressively to secure the internal demand of growing markets such as China and ASEAN. The Lifestyle Division now handles a wide variety of lifestyle products for consumers, such as clothing and footwear. The division has formed an expansive value chain from project proposals that accurately track consumer trends to manufacturing, importation, sales, and brand development. Recently, the division has strengthened its OEM system centered on China to build a framework providing high-quality products quickly, stably, and at low cost. This has resulted in strong sales of fashion apparel, living wear, and uniforms. The Forest Products Division is active in a wide range of business and trade, forming a strong value chain from raw material to products in the field of forest industry, an industry that has received renewed attention in recent years. The division's forestation woodchip business is one of the largest for Japanese companies, and going forward, the division will continue to secure competitive forestation resources. In addition, the pulp production and sales business has been improving its operational efficiency and manufacturing cost structure since the global economic downturn of 2008. In pursuit of continued increase in profit, the division has strengthened its operational base for industrial paper manufacturing and sales in China and ASEAN. The Chemicals Division provides to various industrial fields the chemicals that serve as precursors to petrochemicals, inorganic and agricultural chemicals, electronic material, specialty chemicals, synthetic resins, and vinyl alkalis. Also, the division has investments in numerous businesses in Asia, America, Europe, and Australia. Recently, trading has been very active in the growing fields of LEDs, secondary batteries, and solar batteries. The division is also involved in environmentally friendly plant factory systems. Going forward, the division will continue to develop a portfolio of promising businesses. The main businesses of the Energy Division 1 are LNG, oil and gas trading, and marketing. The LNG sector is working on projects in Qatar, Equatorial Guinea, and Peru, as well as the trading of LNG. The oil and gas trading sector operates globally, utilizing a network of overseas locations. The marketing sector uses its inventiveness to compete in the markets for domestic petroleum products and LPG. For the Lafan refinery project in Qatar, the division is focusing on maintaining a stable operation and expanding its trade advantages. The main businesses of the Energy Division 2 are upstream resource development and nuclear fuel. The resource development sector is promoting the development and production of oil, gas, and uranium in countries such as the US, UK, India, Qatar, Russia, and Kazakhstan. The nuclear fuel sector focuses on global procurement and sale of uranium, solution services related to each step of the nuclear fuel cycle, and sales of nuclear power equipment and material. The Metals and Mineral Resources Division is developing a wide variety of businesses, from trading in upstream businesses, such as metal mine development and smelting, to downstream businesses, such as product sales and recycling, as well as new fields, such as next-generation energy. A financing contract totaling $1.7 billion was concluded with the Esperanza and El Tesoro copper mine projects in Chile. The operations and sales at Lake Vermont coal mine in Australia are doing very well. From April 2010, the Steel Product Department was integrated into the division to further expand its business operations. The Transportation Machinery Division trades in various fields such as aerospace, defense, automotive, construction machinery, agro-machinery, and ships. The aerospace sector delivers jet aircraft manufactured by the Brazilian company Embraer to JAL Group and Fuji Dream Airlines. The ship sector is engaged in trading in chartered ships and freight forwarding, as well as global shipping businesses such as fleet holding. The automotive, construction machinery, and agro-machinery sectors are focusing on fields less dependent on economic conditions, such as after-sales services. In the future, the division will invest in new fields, such as leasing and sales financing, with an aim to strengthen its functions and expand its business foundation. The Power Projects and Infrastructure Division works globally, focusing on overseas IPP business and water projects. As of March 2012, the overseas IPP sectors held the largest equity power generating capacity among the trading companies at 8,680 megawatts. Meanwhile, the water project sector plans to join the world's top 10 in terms of population supplied with water within a few years. At the same time, the division has numerous contract records and a solid reputation around the world, particularly in Asia and the Middle East, in the field of EPC projects, both in power and water. The division will continue to establish new business models while balancing revenue growth with social contribution through infrastructure development. The Plant and Industrial Machinery Division consists of 4 segments. The plant segment, which works with petroleum, natural gas, chemicals, iron making, cement, and pulp and paper. The Global Environment Project segment, which works with clean development mechanisms. The Industrial Machinery and Production Machinery segment, and the Transport Project Management segment. Each segment utilizes its experience and know-how to propose the best solution for clients' projects. The division is also focusing on creating new businesses through cooperation with domestic and international strategic partners. The Finance, Logistics, and IT Business Division operates in a relatively new field for a trading company and provides various business services. The finance and insurance business sector handles fund management, leasing, and insurance brokerage, utilizing the strengths of a trading company. The logistics business sector provides optimum logistics solutions for clients, while the IT business sector provides comprehensive IT solutions, such as data communication network services for enterprises. Recently, looking to the future, the division has participated in the asset management business, business development in the fields of cloud computing, and the further strengthening of its strategies in the Chinese and ASEAN markets. The Real Estate Business Department covers a wide range of real estate and affiliated businesses. The domestic condominium business handles everything from product planning to sales and post-sales management service under the brand name Grand Suite. In the asset management business, the department operates and manages office buildings and commercial facilities. The Overseas Real Estate Development Section was the first Japanese real estate developer in China and has a record of success developing 5,000 houses, mainly in Shanghai. In addition to the activities of the 12 sales divisions, Marubeni also has been making contributions to wider society from an early stage, focusing on such areas as social welfare and global environment. The core of the company's social welfare activities is the Marubeni Foundation, established in 1974. Since its establishment, the foundation has granted funds in excess of 100 million Japanese yen in total each year to social welfare facilities and organizations throughout Japan. Such foundations have also been established in Southeast Asian countries, such as the Philippines, providing locally based support through scholarships and donations. Measures for the global environment include implementation of environmentally friendly business operations, proactive support for various environmental conservation activities, and participation in renewable energy operations from an early stage. These activities have been successful economically as well as socially and environmentally, and Marubeni has been recognized by external institutions as a company with excellent sustainability.
Hello, I am Teruo Asada, President and CEO of Marubeni Corporation. As you can see, Marubeni has a history of more than 150 years, and our business models and operations as a general trading company are extremely diverse. At the present time, we are conducting business throughout the world together with many partners and customers by making full use of our network of 118 overseas branches and offices in 71 countries. There are approximately 30,000 employees of Marubeni Group, and Marubeni has been continuously selected as a global Fortune 500 company. The world economy and the business environments around Marubeni are changing so rapidly in a way that is hard to predict. Under these circumstances, we have worked hard to strengthen our human resources to respond to any changes surrounding our company, as well as further improved our risk management capabilities. In doing so, we have made the full preparations for aggressively seeking out new business opportunities, even while continuing to manage the various kinds of risks we face. Currently, we are implementing a midterm management plan, so-called SG-12, that focuses our management resources on 4 priority fields: natural resources, infrastructure, environments, and essential living commodities. By focusing on these fields, we hope to contribute to the further development of the global economy and the economies of individual countries as well. In addition, we will seek to contribute to the improvement of living standards in emerging countries, as well as to provide ultimate solutions to the environmental issues that are becoming more and more critical, given the world's increasing economic development. The continued trust of all of our stakeholders is absolutely essential to our sustainable growth as a general trading company, and Marubeni Group will continue to endeavor to be a partner that goes beyond your expectations. I look forward to the next opportunity to speak with you, and I hope I have such opportunity very soon. Thank you.
Beyond your expectations. Marubeni.